Welcome to the weekly news roundup of Mera Vote. Riya Chakrabarti says I love you to Mahesh Bhatt as the WhatsApp conversation between the two leaked. As the Supreme Court has allowed the CBI to investigate the unfortunate death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, a major turn of events have now emerged in the case. WhatsApp conversations held between Riya Chakrabarti and director Mahesh Bhatt have surfaced and gone viral. These chats are apparently from the 8th of June, the day when Riya left Sushant's residence. As read in the chats, Riya hinted towards breaking up with Sushant Singh Rajput as she texted Mahesh Bhatt, "You have unclipped my wings," to which Bhatt replied, "Don't look back." In another message, Riya stated, "Every word you've said echoes in me and I feel a deep impact of your unconditional love. Aisha moves on, sir, with a heavy heart and sense of relief," she wrote. In the next message, she wrote, "Our last call was a wake-up call." The message that followed read, "You are my angel, you were, and you are now." In two separate messages, Bhatt replied, "Don't look back. Make it possible what is inevitable." Riya stated in separate messages, "Thank you, destiny, that I met you. You are right." Further in the conversation, Riya wrote to Bhatt saying, "You have again unclipped my wings. Twice in one life is almost godlike." The conversation on WhatsApp goes on with Riya writing, "I love you, my best man, and will make you proud." Bhatt replied with emojis of folded hands, "You have truly, it takes guts to do what you did. Don't look back." Riya's actor boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his home on June 14th. The late actor's family subsequently filed an FIR charging the actress and her family members with abetment to suicide charges. After Michelle, Barack Obama attacks Donald Trump. A day after Michelle Obama termed Donald Trump as the wrong president for the US, her husband and former US President Barack Obama too launched a scathing attack on the leader. Delivering his remarks live from the Museum of the American Revolution in Philadelphia, Obama blasted his successor as unserious and self-centered, and cautioning that core democratic institutions have been imperiled by the Trump presidency. "Donald Trump hasn't grown into the job because he can't," Obama said in his speech, and the consequences of that failure were severe. 170,000 Americans dead, millions of jobs gone, while those at the top take in more than ever. Our worst impulses unleashed, our proud reputation around the world badly diminished, and our democratic institutions threatened like never before. I never expected that my successor would embrace my vision or continue my policies. I did hope, for the sake of our country, that Donald Trump might show some interest in taking the job seriously. But he never did. Donald Trump hasn't grown into the job because he can't, Obama added. India's former President Pranab Mukherjee in deep coma. India's former President Pranab Mukherjee's medical condition remained unchanged so far, Army's Research and Referral Hospital said. In a health bulletin, the hospital said he is deeply comatose and is being treated for a respiratory infection. His vital parameters are stable and he continues to be on ventilatory support. Mukherjee was admitted to the Army's Research and Referral Hospital in Delhi's cantonment on August 10th and was operated for removal of a clot in the brain the same day. He had also tested positive for COVID-19. He developed a lung infection later and is being treated at the hospital. Mukherjee was the 13th President of India from 2012 to 2017. That's it for today. Keep watching the space for more news update.